Dominican-style pink potato salad recipe that can add a flavorful twist to your holiday celebrations. Ingredients: 2 pounds pink potatoes, peeled and diced. 4 large eggs, hard-boiled and chopped. 1 cup cooked and shredded chicken breast optional. 1 cup cooked and diced beets, canned or freshly cooked. A ½ cup diced red bell pepper. A ½ cup diced green bell pepper. A ½ cup diced red onion. A ½ cup diced celery. A 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. A 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. For the dressing: 1 cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons white vinegar. 1 tablespoon sugar. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: boil potatoes. Peel and dice the pink potatoes. Boil the potatoes in salted water until they are fork tender. Drain and let them cool to room temperature. Preparations: hard-boiled eggs, cool, and chop them. Cooked chicken optional. If using chicken, cook and shred it. You can use leftover roasted or grilled chicken for added flavor. Prepare vegetables: dice red and green bell peppers, red onion, and celery. Cook and dice the beets, if you haven't done so already. Mac dressing: in a bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Adjust the seasonings to taste. Assemble salad: in a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled potatoes. Chopped eggs, shredded chicken if using, diced beets, bell peppers, red onion, celery, cilantro, and parsley. A dressing: pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together until well coated. Chill: cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld. Serve. Before serving, give the salad a final gentle toss. Garnish with extra herbs if desired. Enjoy. Serve this delicious Dominican-style pink potato salad as a side dish at your holiday gathering and enjoy the unique flavors. Feel free to adjust the quantities and ingredients based on your preferences and the number of servings you need. Enjoy your holiday celebrations with this flavorful and vibrant potato salad.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.